Good day. Today I'm going to do a small repair on my Predator 103. This is a fine Pelican product. It's made of so-called proprietary Ramex high density polyethylene. It's a very tough material. It's been an excellent boat for years and years. 10 foot, rated for up to 7 horsepower motor. I've got a 6 horsepower. It seats too comfortably. It's got a battery compartment and live well. Here's your live well. The other side is the battery compartment. Nice thing about this boat is it's pre-wired. It has in the stern has the plug-in for your trolling motor, or also at the bow has the plug-in, all pre-wired. Very nice unit. So, how to repair cracks with this kind of boat? I picked up this KCW Pro weld repair kit. It's made by Urethane Supply Company. Includes a 200 watt welding iron. That's just heating up now. Get it good and hot. And you got some strips of HDPE to facilitate the repair.